Hello everyone! Welcome to this course for beginners. In this course, we are going to learn together all the basics, all the fundamentals for you to learn the Italian language. And this course will enable you to be able to get by once you go to Italy or to start putting down the foundations for learning this language properly. We are going to go through a bunch of different things, which is a very technical definition for some grammar that would be slided in without you noticing, hopefully, or noticing that much. So let's start. The first chapter of this journey is how to pronounce properly vowels. What do we mean by that? Well, our words, Italian nouns, terms, verbs, and with vowels. Therefore, it is extremely important for us to get the pronunciation right. And in order to do that, we are going to hone in the pronunciation of vowels as our first chapter. So let's start together. First vowel is A, okay? And in Italian, you move your mouth horizontally and vertically. So A would be A. Ah, ah. And you have to sort of emphasize this movement of the mouth if you want your brain to register that that's not like A, that's ah, ah. E is eh. So this time around, we are trying to smile, okay? And therefore, we move our mouth horizontally. Eh. E. In this case, our mouth doesn't move too much, but we have to pull. And you could see that my nerves in the neck are pulling. E. I'm going with my lips upwards to make the pronunciation E. So far, what we have learned is A, E, O. To do this very simply, we're going to do the goldfish mouth, O, and oo. Now, whereas English is sort of an entire wrinkle language, as I like to call it, Italian is exactly the opposite. So we actually have to make wrinkles on top of our lips in order to pronounce properly. U is oo. It's not you. It's oo. Once you get this 5 vowels down under your belt, you're ready to start. So, before we move on, let's recap together. A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. Now it's your turn. Repeat it, get this right, and then move on.